If you're wondering whether Hostinger or GreenGeeks offers better SEO tools, you've come to the right place. Both of these hosting providers claim to have powerful tools to help boost your website's SEO, but which one really delivers? Stick around as we break down their features, point out the strengths and weaknesses, and ultimately recommend which is the better choice for improving your website's search engine performance. Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about what you get with Hostinger. They offer an all-in-one hosting solution, which includes some decent SEO tools. Hostinger's SEO toolkit focuses on site optimization with tools like website caching and built-in integration for Google Search Console. They also have an SEO analysis tool that helps identify areas for improvement and gives actionable suggestions. However, there's a catch. Hostinger's SEO tools aren't as advanced or as extensive as some competitors. They're more basic, and the interface can feel a bit clunky for users who are looking for more granular control over their SEO efforts. Next, let's move to GreenGeeks. GreenGeeks offers similar SEO tools such as site speed optimization, automatic backups, and free CDN, Content Delivery Network, to help speed up your site, which is crucial for SEO rankings. They also provide an integrated tool that suggests changes for improving SEO, and their customer support is known to be responsive in case you run into any issues. However, while GreenGeeks does provide good features like these, it doesn't have some of the deeper SEO insights that some other hosts offer, like keyword tracking and in-depth analytics. Next thing to consider is site speed. When it comes to SEO, speed is a major ranking factor, and both Hostinger and GreenGeeks do a decent job in this department. Hostinger offers Lightspeed web servers, which can help boost website speed, and GreenGeeks includes a built-in CDN to ensure faster load times across different regions. Both providers perform well, but there are others that go above and beyond, such as premium CDNs and advanced caching methods, which you might find missing here. The fourth thing to keep in mind is SEO support and resources. Hostinger provides tutorials and guides for SEO beginners, but the quality of their SEO support is somewhat limited. They don't offer as much in-depth, ongoing support for long-term SEO strategy. GreenGeeks, on the other hand, has a slightly more comprehensive approach with live chat support and email assistance, which can be useful if you're looking for some extra guidance. However, both platforms leave much to be desired in terms of proactive SEO strategy assistance. Finally, let's talk about pricing. Hostinger is typically more affordable, especially if you're just starting out with SEO and don't want to invest heavily at first. GreenGeeks tends to be a bit pricier, but they make up for it by offering better customer service and some added features like free nightly backups and a longer money-back guarantee. Now, after trying both of these options myself, I can confidently say that they're both good, but neither is perfect if your goal is to really take your SEO game to the next level. They do their job, but if you're serious about seeing serious SEO results, there's one more option I'd recommend. If you want a better alternative that really specializes in SEO optimization and offers some advanced tools that can truly elevate your SEO strategy, then check out the link in the description below. You can take advantage of a free trial, and through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't settle for less when it comes to SEO tools. Try the better option today.